Check, test, test. Hello. Check, test, test. Hello.
नहीं है. Today we are especially privileged to be in the gracious presence of a dynamic leader, a visionary administrator, and a dedicated public servant who has been relentlessly working for the progress of Andhra Pradesh and in particular for the development of Mangalgiri. Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communications and Human Resource Development, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. On behalf of Indian Railways, the organizing committee, distinguished guests, and the people of Mangalgiri, I extend our heartfelt gratitude and a warm welcome to Honorable Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. Today we are especially privileged to be in the gracious presence of a dynamic leader, a visionary administrator, and a dedicated public servant who has been relentlessly working for the progress of Andhra Pradesh and in particular for the development of Mangalgiri. Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communications and Human Resource Development, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. Sir, your unwavering commitment to innovation, quality education, digital transformation, skill development, and world-class infrastructure continues to inspire the youth and strengthen the vision of a prosperous Andhra Pradesh. Your sincere efforts towards the growth and development of Mangalgiri have earned the love, respect, and admiration of the people. Your esteemed presence on this auspicious occasion adds great dignity and significance to the celebrations. We are truly honored to have you with us as we witness another milestone in India's journey towards a modern and inclusive railway network. On behalf of Indian Railways, the organizing committee, distinguished guests, and the people of Mangalgiri, I extend our heartfelt gratitude and a warm welcome to Honorable Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. Welcome, sir. We are deeply honored by your presence. On behalf of Indian Railways, the organizing committee, distinguished guests, and the people of Mangalgiri, I extend our heartfelt gratitude and a warm welcome to Honorable Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. A warm welcome to our respected DRM Madam Srimati Sudeshna Sen, Divisional Railway Manager, Guntur Division. Welcome you, ma'am. A warm welcome to Shri K. Simon Garu, CMP Gati Shakti, Guntur Division.
డిగ్నిటరీ వాళ్ళ స్పీచెస్ ఎన్ని
ఉన్నాయి సార్, ఒకసారి పాటెడ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తారు డిఆర్ఎం మేడం వెంటనే. Now I request our respected DRM madam to present potted plants to the chief guest of this auspicious function, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister, Andhra Pradesh Government. Give a big hand of applause, please. Now I request DRM madam to present a potted plant to our Honorable Union Minister, Government of India, Dr. Pemmasani Chandrasekhar Garu. Now I request our Divisional Railway Manager Srimati Sudeshna Garu to deliver her speech, please.
We are short of time, sir. The Prime Minister's speech is scheduled on 3:40, sir. So we'll try to have the program fast. Honorable Union Minister of State of Rural Development and Communications, Dr. Pemmasani Chandrasekhar ji. Honorable Minister for State for Human Resource Development, IT, Electronics and Communication, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh ji. All the other dignitaries present here, friends from the media, and all the school children and the lovers of railways present here. Sadar Namaskar, Suswagatam. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for the inaugural function of the redeveloped Mangalagiri Amrit Station. As you know, that 75 stations are to be inaugurated shortly across the country by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. 3 of these newly developed stations are from Andhra Pradesh, and we feel extremely proud that the redeveloped Mangalgiri station is one of them. The Mangalgiri Amrit station is projected to be an important landmark in the upcoming capital city of Amravati in Andhra Pradesh. The Amrit Bharat station scheme was introduced not only to upgrade the customer amenities in the stations, but more importantly, to make the city an important part of the city. As a part of this endeavor, Mangalagiri station has been upgraded with all customer facilities like AC waiting halls, retiring rooms, signages, Divyanjan facilities, coach indication boards, and a well-equipped second entry. The facade has been beautifully decorated with kalamkari paintings and local motifs. A portrait of the weaver in the circulating area near platform number 1 and of Buddha in meditation near platform number 4 adorn the entry points as a tribute to the local tradition, cultural richness, and spiritual heritage of the region. I would like to record my gratitude to the state government for improving the approach roads of the station. I'm also happy to share that 12 more stations are being upgraded as Amrit stations across the division.